So share your thoughts about vision. Vision. Question for the day is vision. Vision. Do you know VISION? Vision. We say that generally we say that the leader are visionaries. uh, जब अब्दुल कलाम से पूछा गया था the greatest quality of a leader, he said that leader should have the vision. What we mean by vision? Yes, Simi, the question is today we have to share your thought, whatever is coming in your mind with the word vision. Siva is saying plan the future with new ideas and vision. Thank you so much, Siva. So here it's Simi is saying best podcast and Amazon bestseller YouTube button. Thank you. Yes, imagination. Siva is saying imagination. Wow, thank you. Yes, imagination. What else? Keep them coming. It's as per Raz, it is target. We want to know what vision mean to you. Focus. Fine. Focus. Target. I'm asking these words because initially I was not clear about these words. When like I was using this word so frequently that assuming that I know these words. मैं इन वर्ड्स को इतना फ्रिक्वेंटली सुनती थी या पढ़ती थी या बातों में यूज करती थी that I was not knowing what exactly these words means. This is the obvious, like I was thinking okay मुझे पता है. How many of you feel that कि बहुत बार हम वर्ड्स को इतना ज़्यादा फ्रिक्वेंट यूज करते हैं लेकिन उसका एग्जैक्ट we are not able to visualize that word. We are not able to understand that the core of that word. Wow, Raz, thank you so much. Vision you see in the future. Vision you see in the future. Yes, please share all. Here I can see so many people. Simi, Amit, Concept School, Girish, Gurumukh sir. I really want to appreciate all of you who are coming almost every day. Raj is coming every day, and Amit, Girish sir is also coming. Gurumukh sir has given so fantastic summary of the Think and Grow Rich in the group. Thank you so much, sir. So Raj sir is so punctual. So I really appreciate. Thank you for being here. Every single you, all of you, lot. I mean, means I really want to thank you from my bottom of my heart for being here. Thank you so much. So yes, you are doing fantastic on notes, like the kind of note you are creating. I'm planning to use those notes along with the video. Whenever I will share these videos, I will share your note as well. You are so fantastic in making those notes. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Raj sir. I really appreciate because see, everywhere there are only 5 to 10% are the action taker, right? In every group, it's scientifically proven, and I can see I have interacted with so many groups, and almost in every group, only 5% people are action taker, right? So whoever is coming consistently, taking notes, sharing the notes, taking a little bit of action, though just pat your back that you are among those 4 or 5% who is taking action on the learning. So I really want to congratulate you. Rest 20% are even they are understanding, they are a little bit slow, but they are also the good to go. But rest 80%, they need some more time to build that strong emotion to take the action. Because if whenever we want to take action, we should have a very strong emotion, then only we can take the action. We should have a very strong why, then only we can take the action. So I totally understand that few people required little bit longer time to get started with taking actions. So it's perfectly fine. Yes, first step towards success is consistency. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Here we are, like this entire room is so filled with amazing experiences and amazing words. Thank you so much. So here we are talking about vision, and I want to share my story with the word vision. Like it was so simple word. I used to read a lot. I have read these words in Abul Kalam book, that he said that great leader have the vision, and I thinking a vision. Okay, it's vision. I haven't given that much attention to the word, and again credit goes to Sadhguru. I was attending one of his program, and that was a kind of leadership program, and then he explained these words so simply. It was a bulb on moment for me. Okay, what this vision means, this one I was not realizing it. So Madan is saying ability to look ahead. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are fortunate. You are like intelligent. You know these words, but I was not very clear about this word vision. So vision is, as Sadhguru has described this word, that when he was addressing the group of business owners, he organized yearly Isha Insight, and Isha Insights, all the business owners came, and he like helped them. So I was just watching the recorded videos of Isha Insights, and he said that he, as a leader, as a business owner, as a like whatever community you are associated with, you can see which others cannot see. You are able to see ahead which other people are not able to see ahead. You are a leader, you are at the higher position, and when you are at the higher position, whatever you are able to see, others are not able to see. Right. So Siva is saying without vision, business cannot grow. It's very simple to say that without vision, how many of you have your own life vision? Can you share some of your vision? Anyone, if you are okay, you can share your some of your vision. It's very simple to say that without vision we cannot grow, business cannot grow. For being a leader, you should have a vision. But what kind of vision we need? Do we have a vision for our life? Do we have vision for our family? Do we have vision for our village or town or society or country or world? How many of you have a vision for the world? Any of you have the vision for the world कि world ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा हो सकता है? No, I think I very you can share that if you have. I don't have that kind of vision. Now I started consciously started creating vision for myself, for my family, for my son, for my like even I started envisioning the world, that एक ideal world कैसा हो सकता है. I started envisioning the education system. I started envisioning the in how India can be with fantastic education system. Yes. Raj is saying chemical free food for each and every human being in the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Uh, Raz has a vision that every single human being should have a natural, organic, and like chemical free food. That is the one vision that will give you, when you are every day seeing the people being healthy and not suffering from the diseases due to the chemical filled food. So now you can have that reason to work towards. When you have the vision, then only you have reason to work towards, isn't it? So like Ram Raj was the vision for that era, Ram Raj. So I don't know Ram Raj kaisa tha. I'm not sure about Ram Raj. We can say that Ram Raj, but exactly Ram Raj में क्या क्या हो सकता है, I don't know about the possibility. What I want to share, yeah, that we have to. Rakesh Singh is saying terrorist free. That can be the vision. Digital Sakti for everyone. Thank you so much, Seema. Seema can, like, when we are saying digital Sakti for everyone. So what the Seema is trying to say, she has already experienced that digital Sakti, and now she is so much convinced that she wants that every single person, every single human being should have that digital Sakti to reach their maximum potential, or to express themselves on digital medium, or to make money on the digital medium. So once you experience that, once you can see that, then you can also envision for the world or for other people. Raj is saying, I'm in the process of creating Organico marketplace where organic farmer and consumer directly interact and buy the products. Thank you. When you have the vision, then you will take the action. When you have the vision, small action you will take, and one day that everyone surprised how you have achieved that. Being at peace, Madan is saying, being at peace, that can be a vision, right? Yes, till you are not at peace, we are not able to do anything. Peace is the most basic nature, basic requirement for us as a human being. So every human being is at peace. That can be the fantastic vision for everyone, right? So yes, nice. Thank you so much. I have gone through so much of the program, all those, I would say, all those spiritual retreats and so many other. I'm not sure able to say that it's a personal development program, but I have gone through many programs where they have forced me to envision that, write about the dream world. Like when you go to the inner engineering program, they will ask you to write about the dream world, what kind of world you want. So, and there I start, first time I have think that okay, दुनिया के बारे में भी मुझे सोचना है, दुनिया के एक बहुत अच्छी एक मेरे सपनों की दुनिया कैसे हो सकती है, मैंने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं. So during that exercise, I realized, okay, oh my God, how beautiful world can be if we are able to, like, if we are free to do whatever we want to do. If that, I remember I written that I can see a world where everyone is doing what they want to do. Someone is dancing, someone is singing, someone is painting, someone is doing yoga, someone is doing going to on Himalayas, and someone is like swimming in the river. So I can see that freedom. I can see that freedom, that we are free to do whatever we want to do. Laughing, singing, dancing, we are individually happy and we are collectively happy. So this is, I think, similar to that thing I have written in that dream world. But that was my first experience. That was my first experience to create a vision for the world, right? So I wanted to share this experience with you, and I request all of you. It's my wish that it will not come naturally. So many people are so blessed that the vision comes so naturally to them, and meditation definitely help you to create that vision or see that vision or being at peace. But we have to work, we have to work towards that. We have to create the vision, we have to work towards that. It will not come naturally. We are so much distracted with our daily rut कि डेली के काम में हम इतने ज़्यादा आई थिंक कि उलझे हुए हैं कि we don't have time to sit and close our eyes and see the ideal world, right? So I request that whatever we are doing, intention for the day is whatever we are doing, we can see that if we are finding something that can be a better, but like I remember when I was like, these are the very small thing, but these are stuck in my mind. कि I was drinking मैं जूस कॉर्नर पे थी, मैं और मेरा बेटा जूस पी रहे थे, एंड जूस कॉर्नर पे जो जो बच्चा ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं था, छोटा बच्चा होगा, एंड ही वाज सर्विंग अस अ जूस, एंड द जूस कॉर्नर का जो ओनर था, he came and he slapped him very badly. I don't know the reason why he slapped him, but he slapped him very badly, saying that कि मैं फोन कर रहा था, why you are not picking up the phone, तुम इतने busy हो. And he was really busy in serving us. That boy was really busy in serving us the juice, but that juice corner guys has like slapped him very badly, and it was like I was feeling like I should be stopping him. I internally I wanted to stop him, but I don't have courage to stop him. I let it, I let it happen. And that time, I think there can be a world where no one can treat other human being like this. I really, this was one of the reason. It doesn't matter what you are doing, you don't have right to treat other human being like this. Do you think if you are giving money to someone, or you are bringing food on the table for the family, or if you are doing anything for anyone, that gives you right to treat physically abusive to other people? No, not at all, not at all, right? So I want to say that, sorry, sorry. Okay, so I want to say that whoever is coming in contact of you, doesn't matter, whoever is coming in contact of you, try to positively impact that living being, whether it's an animal or a human being. Try to treat it with compassion, with go. Just give me 1 second. So yes, I wanted that I have a vision where doesn't matter what you are doing, we should be able to treat each other respectfully. We should, at least physically, we should not be abusive to each other. And I hope I should have courage wherever I'm seeing injustice. I can raise my voice, and I can protect that being. So having said that, we are starting. Yes, and we are starting our digital marketing today. We are starting our digital marketing, right? So is the intention for the day, that today you are going to impact every single living being positively, whoever is coming in contact with you physically or digitally? Yes or no? Yes, nice, 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 nice. Thank you, thank you. This is the one of the reason I want to interact with so many people, that we at a core are very 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 we want to make this world a better place. But some, due to some reason, due to some pressure, due to some stress, due to some money, especially due to the money, especially due to the money, so many people have taken the rights to abuse others. Wherever someone is spending money on you, they, I don't know how they understand they can do whatever they want to do with the other people. If they are, you are the employee, if you are the like whoever is giving you money, they have all the rights to the uh, they feel that they have all the rights to um, do whatever they want to do with you. So that is the one thing, I this is a kind of my vision, that using, I know digital marketing, I want to help people with a digital medium to make money, so that at least due to the money they should not be get abused by other. But yes, money makes power. So having said that, and for the vision, you try to create a vision for your life, try to create a vision for your family, try to create a vision for your town, for country, for the world. And we I do in two way that I will discuss tomorrow. Here we are going to start with the YouTube marketing. Are we ready to start with the YouTube marketing? Sonal is saying money make power and change people behavior. Yes, I would say money don't change people behavior. People are that way only. Money help them to express themselves. Doesn't matter who you are. Money will help you to express you. If you are a good people, you will become better with the money. If you are something abusive inside you, you will become more abusive with the money. आप जो हैं, money उसको amplify कर देगा. आपके अंदर जो कुछ भी है, पैसा उसको और बढ़ा देगा. अगर आप चैरिटी करते हैं तो ज्यादा चैरिटी करने लग जाएंगे. आप अगर एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं तो ज्यादा एक्सप्लॉइट करने लग जाएंगे. Right? Money is a tool only. Money don't have any characteristic. Money का कोई characteristic नहीं है. It's totally up to you who is using it. तो आप जो हैं वैसे ही वो और ज्यादा हो जाएंगे आप. That is the characteristic. मनी का कोई अपना कलर नहीं है. जिसके हाथ में होगा उस कलर का हो जाएगा. जिसके हाथ में होगा उसकी जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वही पैसे की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हो जाएगी. Yeah, money is good. It's not neither good nor bad. It's a tool. It's very similar कि जैसे गाड़ी में पेट्रोल होता है वैसे हमारी लाइफ में मनी है. गाड़ी का भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस है और पेट्रोल का भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस है. उसी तरह हमारी लाइफ का भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस है और लाइफ चलाने के लिए उस पेट्रोल का भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस है. Right. So here, how many of you have created your YouTube channel? So here we are starting with YouTube and I'm giving you any of you have started YouTube channel? So you can go to the channel and here this is called channel art. Can you see that? This is called channel art and this is called channel here you can use channel thumbnail or logo and all these are the channel thumbnail. This is called channel thumbnail. This is channel thumbnail. This is channel thumbnail. This is the channel thumbnail. So you can create channel art. Channel art को भी आप Canva से बना सकते हैं और channel thumbnail को भी Canva से बना सकते हैं. And it's very easy to do that. You can simply go to the Canva. Right now I'm focusing on that what we are supposed to cover today and then I will go back and check the chat window. Right now I'm not checking the chat window. If you have any question, just keep writing question in the chat window. I will go back to the chat window and answer those questions. How many questions I will be able to answer? Right, so using the Canva you can fulfill almost all of your graphics requirements. So here you can simply go to the YouTube channel art. You can go to the YouTube channel art. Right, and there you can create your channel art. When you are creating YouTube channel art or whenever you are creating something from the Canva will take care of your dimension. Canva will take care of the size or Canva will take care of the height and breadth and dimensions. So that is the one of the best thing about the Canva. Whenever we require any kind of social images, we can use Canva with that dimension. You need not to worry about the dimensions. They will take care of the dimension. So here, let's suppose I'm creating this one channel art for digital seekers YouTube channel. So digital, I'm searching for something digital. So wherever you are seeing this free, it's free. Okay, so I'm using so you can select the template, whatever you want to do. There are so many templates. So you want to create logo, there are template. You want to create Facebook cover images, there are template. For YouTube thumbnail, for template. So whatever you want to do, you can use the template and customize it. If you want to upload your own photographs, you can upload from here. You can have a lot of photos here. Elements, all the elements you can add to your photo. You can add text to your photo. You can add, if you are creating video, you can add a background. You are creating video or animations, you can add background music. You can create videos, you can manage your background. So all these things you can go and explore. Right now we are creating YouTube channel art, and here I'm saying ABC of digital media. So I want this text, I want to reduce the size of this text, I can reduce the size of the text. I want it to be in 3 line. So 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 this way, whatever way you, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Let's suppose I'm making the change of this color. If you want to change this images, you can change this images. If you have your own images, you can upload the image from here. You can click here and you can have create the account, upload the image from the local system. You can upload the image from the local system. I'm not right now, I'm not going to sign in. If you have already account, you can just sign in. So I don't remember my password here. Okay. So now you know you can upload your own images. I can upload my own photograph and I can replace this photograph with my own photograph, right? So once you are done with it, you can just download from here. So download. So that way you can use Canva for almost all of your graphics requirement. Let's see if I can download. Okay. So, okay, I have used some other Gmail account. Push. So can you try Canva? How many of you can try Canva? कितने लोगों ने Canva ट्राई किया है पहले? I'm just checking the chat once to see the response. Okay, so Devang has tried, Amit has tried, Pavan has also tried, Sonal has also tried. Nice, thank you so much. Can anyone share the link for learning Adobe Illustrator? Adobe, yes, for Adobe Illustrator you can learn. I will share the link in the in group. Yes. So here, let me see if I have Canva. So you can use Canva for almost all your graphics requirement, creating the logo, creating the cover images, creating the book cover, creating the session plan. Yes, here. Reset your password. Whenever your all user ID password, if you are working on the digital medium, you are going to create lot of account. So make sure all the user ID password you are keeping handy. Whenever you want to use it, you can use it. It's 665899. That's 665899. Right? So now you can download it. Here I can create a new password. Here regarding the password, I would like to share that on digital medium, you can't believe so many people are there to hack your different account. So whenever you are setting up the password, use the special character, use capitals, use small, use numbers, and minimum 8 characters. Capital letter, capital letter, small letter, number, and special character. It's not giving me, but I think you are able to understand. You can just download it from here, and you can come back and upload it. There is an option to click here, and you can simply change the channel art. All of you are able to change the channel art. You can try changing your channel art. You can just upload and change the channel art, right? So here, this is your banner images. You can click on, you can remove it, and then you can change it. So right now we don't have images. Okay, we have downloaded it. Let's get downloaded. It's be able on all devices. So you can see that कि सारे device में क्या दिखेगा, desktop में क्या दिखेगा, TV पे क्या दिखेगा. So accordingly you can do the cropping. Try to centralize in such a way that the most important part should be visible. And making sure that digital word should be visible. So then you can done it, and then you can publish it. Right now it's not my you can see that this is the way your channel art will change. Right now I'm not publishing it, but this way you can change your thumbnail, this picture, you can change the banner images, you can change the water book video bookmark. So whatever video you are uploading on the YouTube, automatically you are bookmarking with your logo. So whenever someone will try to download your YouTube video, they will download your YouTube video using along with this logo. So that way you can bookmark whatever videos you are uploading on YouTube channel. And this is studio.youtube.com. So whatever changes you are doing, you have to do in the studio.youtube.com. So YouTube Studio is a place where you are doing all kind of admin work related to your YouTube channel. So here you can see the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Dashboard is the home page. Dashboard is the home for your YouTube channel. So you can see all the latest videos or channel analytics, and the videos you have published so far, kind of comments you have received so far. So recent subscriber you can see. So all these are the summary of your entire channel. Here you can see the content, all the video you have uploaded. Content is on YouTube, all our videos. So you can see all the video. If you want to edit any video, you can click on this edit. Do you remember yesterday we have uploaded one video? So once you have uploaded the video, you want to edit it, you can edit it. So you can edit it, logo, intro for Video Expression Academy. So logo intro for Video Expression Academy by Parish Krit. So 100 character you can write. Right. video expression coach. So whatever is your brand name, that you can at any point of time you can add your brand name at the end of the title. So he say himself video expression coach. Expression coach. So that way you can add title. Right now I'm just repeating the same thing in the description, but you should be writing the better description. Here you can select the thumbnail. Either you can select this thumbnail or you can upload your own thumbnail. You can create the playlist. Either you can create your own playlist or you can use the existing playlist. One video can go to multiple playlists. So I'm keeping it in the Video Expression Academy as well as I'm keeping it in the courses. Then you can click on done. So whether this is made up for kid or not, so no, it's not made up for kid. Or if you will mark it it is made up for kid, then the video will go to the YouTube Kids section. YouTube का जो kids section है वहाँ पे जाएगा, right? So here you can apply whether it's a public, private, unlisted that we have shared yesterday. If you can apply any subtitle, because the video length is very small. Can you see that video length is only 12 seconds? So that's why you are not able to add any subtitle, end screen or card. अगर video length 1 minute से ज़्यादा होगा, then only you will be able to add the end screen and card, which we have added yesterday. So then you can click on save. So this is the basic video editing you can do. Video description, like video, this is called video optimization, YouTube SEO. This is the basic of YouTube SEO. Use the keyword in title, use the keyword in description, use the keyword in playlist name. So these are the basic uploading the thumbnail. These are the basic video, you can say the video optimization checklist. So right now I'm sharing the basic one, but yes, in advanced one, you can take care of many other things. Like within 30 seconds, you have to use the right keyword. Whatever keyword you are using in within first 30 seconds, that keyword should be appearing in the title. Keyword should be appearing in the description. That keyword should be appearing in the tag. So you can do so many other things for the advanced color combination. You can go and search that whatever keyword you want to get ranking for. You can go and search that what kind of video is already coming on the top, and there you can get that what color you can use so that your video should stand out, right? So there are so many things, especially while selecting the keyword. You can use any keyword tools or wide IQ you can use. There are so many tools which as soon as you will install that tool will give you all the keywords other videos are using. So if I want a video creation course, video creation video creation app or video creation course, so you can pick the keywords from here, and using the wide IQ, or there are so many other tools. Using that tool, as soon as you will open this video, they will give you all the keywords this video is using. ये सारे के सारे ये वीडियो जो टॉप के वीडियोस हैं वो जितने कीवर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं, जितने टैग यूज कर रहे हैं, whatever they have optimized for, so all the data you will get at one place, and then you can get the inspiration and you can apply it in on your own video. That you can do as well. So this is the basic video you are uploading, and you are putting these informations, and then you can manage your playlist. This is your playlist. You can manage the playlist. So playlist is nothing but the collection of related videos. Playlist is nothing but the collection of related videos. So whatever videos you are producing, it should be organized. It should be thematically organized. So all the, let's suppose it's a video related channel. So all the video editing tools at one place, all the testimonial videos at one place, all the tutorial videos at one place, all the tips and tricks at one place. So that way you can organize all these playlists. Why you should be organizing the playlist? Because when someone is searching on the YouTube, your playlist can also appear in the search result. Your video can also appear in the search result. Your channel can also appear in the search result. So your channel, your video, and your playlist, all three are well optimized. All three are well optimized. So how you can optimize it? So you can go and write description about the playlist. यहाँ पे 5000 words का playlist का description आप लिख सकते हैं. आप यहाँ you can change the playlist heading name. So playlist का नाम change कर सकते हैं. whatever video you have added, you can change the like you can organize the sequence. So this way you can manage, you can sort it according to the date added, newest, oldest, or most popular. So let's suppose I'm adding it according to the most popular, right? So after doing this, we are coming back playlist. You can see the analytics. अपने YouTube videos का सारा analytics. This is the where you can see that whether you are going in the right direction or not. What's working and what's not working. Which country, which audience, which age group. Let me stop this annotation part. Right. So this analytics is where you should be coming back frequently. महीने में हफ्ते में एक बार आप एनालिटिक्स पे आके देखेंगे what's working and what's not working. It's very important. So reach, there are three things: reach, audience, reach, engagement, and audience. Reach means to whom you are reaching out. कहाँ तक आपकी वीडियो पहुंच रही है. Means पहुंचने का मतलब कि someone has searched. Let's suppose someone has searched. This is all these are the impression. जितने वीडियोस यहाँ पे अपीयर हो रहे हैं इन सारे वीडियोस का इंप्रेशन काउंट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस वीडियो हैज अपीयर्ड, राइट? एंड व्हेन समवन विल क्लिक हियर एंड दे आर एबल टू सी 3 सेकंड्स, 3 सेकंड का वीडियो अगर उसने देख लिया तो व्यू काउंट हो जाएगा, नंबर ऑफ व्यू काउंट हो जाएगा. एंड इफ आई एम वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, आई एम क्लिकिंग एंड वाचिंग दिस वीडियोस, सो व्हाट आर द डिवाइसेस आई एम यूजिंग, what are the IP, what is the IP address? IP address nowadays is not appearing publicly, but they are capturing कौन सा device, कौन सा internet connection, कौन सा location, screen का size क्या है, mobile devices है, desktop devices है, all these audience characteristic, all these information will appear to you in audience characteristic. ये सारे audience characteristic में. And engagement is any user action. Any user action will be termed as engagement. Engagement, किसी ने like कर दिया, किसी ने comment किया, किसी ने share किया. Any user engagement is the any user action is the engagement, right? So you can also see that कि किस वीडियो को किसने कितना देर देखा है. इसका 20 सेकेंड, 22 सेकेंड, 21 सेकेंड. So you can also watch that कि किसी particular वीडियो को लोगों ने start to finish देखा, किसी वीडियो को 50% देखा, किसी वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग में ही क्लोज कर दिया. So now you can see that what video people are liking and why they are liking it. किसी वीडियो में क्यों 22 सेकंड तक देखा है, किसी वीडियो को 16 सेकंड्स तक ही देखा है. So you can go and find the reason and try to make better video after that. So these are very important. You can keep watching this, right? So you can keep watching this stats regularly and keep improving, keep working on that. Here you can manage your comment. In comment also you can manage so many things. So here you can just see that all the comments held for review means the comment which YouTube feel is not appropriate, YouTube will keep that comment for review, right? So here you can just reply that, or you can like the comment. So right, that way you can manage your comment, right? So comment moderation is important, very, very, very important, because on YouTube or in the video format, you are trying to connect with your end user. So if anyone is taking a single second time out to comment, make sure you are appreciating it. Make sure you are connecting with that person. Make sure you are taking it as an opportunity to interact with that person. So if someone is commenting or doing any user action, please appreciate that. So here you can just moderate it. Comment related setting you will do from the setting option. Whether you want to comment को allow करना है, whether you want to allow the comment or not, all these settings will happen under the setting section, right? So then you can manage your subtitle, you can manage the copyright. Copyright thing is very, very, very important. Copyright, if you will get 3 copyright strikes, your account will be suspended. Even your account will released. You will not able to monetize your account. आप अपने account पे monetization on नहीं कर पाएंगे. So copyright, you have to take care of the copyright. Copyright in general, if you have used someone like T series का कोई गाना use कर लिया, या जिसके कंटेंट पे आपका राइट्स नहीं है, यू आर नॉट द क्रिएटर एंड यू आर क्लेमिंग दैट यू आर द क्रिएटर, एंड कंटेंट क्रिएटर ने रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया रिमूवल के लिए, देन यू हैव टू रिमूव इट. YouTube will always give its favor whoever have the documented proof कि आप जो content use कर रहे हैं, and if two people are fighting, it's my content and it's my content, YouTube will always give a judgment in favor of whoever has documentary proof. So if you're serious about YouTube video content, so if you are using someone else faces or some किसी का गाना use कर रहे हैं, किसी का lyrics use कर रहे हैं, if you are serious about your YouTube channel or YouTube content, take written permission from that person. Take written permission. Until you are not using it for the commercial reason, no one is going to bother you. In general, आप किसी का content use करते हैं, they are okay, they are fine, because anyway they are getting the promotion from your channel. So in general, they are fine with it. But if you are using it commercially, then you may get some problem. Or if you are claiming that you are the creator, you have not created the content and you are claiming that you are the creator. In these two cases, you will get a problem. So I would suggest whenever you are creating you are using someone else content, video clip, best of the best is कि आप उनसे written permission ले लो. Best है कि आप उनसे written permission ले लो. दूसरा कि अगर written permission नहीं भी ले रहे हैं, तो give the credit to that creator. Okay, this content credit goes to this person or this channel or this businesses or whatever. And third, don't try to don't try to use that content commercially. जैसे ही आप commercial gain के लिए काम करना शुरू करेंगे, you are in the people's eyes. So you should be managing your copyright very very serious thing it is. Monetization, as we have already shared, that monetization required 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 public watch hour. I have so many questions कि मैम ad चलाने से कुछ फायदा होगा क्या? So आप जो ad चलाते हैं, so if you are running ad, let's suppose you are running ad, तो let's suppose this एक वीडियो आपने बनाया और उस वीडियो को ad पे चलाया, तो उस वीडियो पे जो व्यूज आएंगे, उस वीडियो का जो वॉच आवर होगा, वो आपके पब्लिक वॉच आवर में नहीं काउंट होता है. आपने जिस वीडियो को एज अ एडवर्टीजमेंट पब्लिश किया, जिस वीडियो को एज अ एडवर्टीजमेंट ब्रॉडकास्ट किया, उस वीडियो का पब्लिक वॉच आवर काउंट नहीं होता है. लेकिन YouTube का एक और एल्गोरिदम है कि इवन समवन इज वाचिंग योर एडवर्टीजमेंट, let's suppose I have gone here and watched your advertisement and I have clicked on your advertisement, YouTube automatically recommend other videos of the same channel. Have you noticed that? कि आप कोई चैनल देख रहे होते हैं और YouTube जो है उसी चैनल का दूसरा वीडियो रिकमेंड कर रहा होता है. तो आपने ऐड तो एक वीडियो पे चलाया था और आपके चैनल में 5 और वीडियोस हैं और उस 5 में से 2 वीडियो YouTube रिकमेंड कर रहा है. तो इफ यू आर गेटिंग दोज अर्न व्यू, दैट इज कॉल्ड अर्न व्यू. सो उस अर्न व्यू में जो आप whenever you are earning a view and getting the watch hours, that watch hour will be included in this public watch hour. So I hope it's clear कि आपने वीडियो बनाया, आपने 10 वीडियोस बनाए, and what people do कि जनरली पार्ट में वीडियो बनाते हैं, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2, और पार्ट 1 पे ऐड चला दिया. अब जैसे ही पार्ट 1 पे लोग ऐड देख रहे हैं तो पार्ट 2 रिकमेंडेशन में आएगा, एंड पार्ट 2 पे आपने एडवर्टीजमेंट चलाया नहीं है. So out of curiosity to complete that, to have the sense of completion, or the important thing, you have already done the seeding in the part 1. Okay, in part 2 you have covered this, I have covered in detail, or in part 2 I have shown you practically. So in part 1 में आपने part 2 की seeding कर दी है, तो part 1 देखने के बाद generally user part 2 देखने आएंगे. तो जब part 2 देखने आएंगे, there on part 2 you are not running the advertisement. So part 2 में जो watch hour बढ़ेगा, that will become your public watch hours. This is one of the way, even you are running the advertisement and you can increase the public watch hour. Apart from that, use that like clickbait. I would not say that कि आप clickbait use करो, but आपका title, आपका thumbnail ऐसा होना चाहिए कि लोग उस पे click करें. Longer video, if you want to increase the watch hours, आपने 2 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया, किसी ने पूरा का पूरा 2 मिनट वीडियो देखा, तभी भी आपका वॉच आवर कितना हुआ? इट्स ओनली 2 मिनट्स, राइट. लेट्स सपोज आपने 15 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया और 15 मिनट में किसी ने 50% ही वीडियो देखा, तो भी आपका वीडियो का वॉच आवर्स क्या हो गया? सो इट्स अ like 8 minute 8.5 minutes. So if you can create anything between 8 10 12 15 20 minutes का वीडियोस बनाते हैं, that's perfectly fine, that will increase the watch hours. थर्ड, आपकी इंडस्ट्री में जो ऑलरेडी पॉपुलर हैं, like for example you can take the example of Vivek Vindra. I have seen so many such videos कि जो विवेक बिंद्रा के वो होते हैं ना, उनको क्या कहते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट, आईबीसी, आईबीसी. सो आईबीसी जो लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वीडियोस बनाते हैं एंड दे राइट कंट्रोवर्शियल टाइटल, विवेक बिंद्रा इज अ स्कैम. They will write, I'm not suggesting you to do it, I'm not suggesting you to do it, but this is also one of the way people are increasing their watch time. So they write the controversial title with a question mark. When this is a question mark, is Vivek Vindra is a scam? So neither you are confirming nor you are denying. So न्यूज मीडिया में लोग ये ऐसा ही टाइटल यूज करते हैं. आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो एंड I will also give you that list of the top performing title. Do you want, how many of you want a list of 100 or 50 top performing title? You can use that title on YouTube videos or on your article or on your blog. You can use that title in the ad copy, and those titles are proven titles. वो proof करेगा ही करेगा. Okay, one more thing, I need volunteering. I do a lot of commitment during the session. I will share this, I will share that, and sometimes I forget. I try to fulfill my commitment, लेकिन कभी कभी मैं भूल जाती हूँ. So I want anyone can volunteer to make a note of all the commitment I'm doing and share that list with me, so that I will make sure that I am fulfilling all my commitment. जैसा अभी मैंने बोला था, मैंने क्या क्या बोला था? I will share the list of the title. I will share. Anyone can volunteer and help me in that. If any can volunteer, it would be great. So जो भी commitment मैं इस group में करती हूँ, please उसका एक list बना के मुझे share कर देंगे, and I will try to fulfill my commitment. Having said that, you have to. There are so many ways. You can take 10 days or 15 days or 20 days. Exaggeration is also that people are using it for the as a clickbait. Means 1,000 leads in 10 days. Get 1,000 lead in 10 days. So now it's a kind of exaggeration. When you are saying 10 lead in 10 days or 100 lead in 10 days, it's okay. But when you are saying 1,000 lead in 10 days, so that is a kind of exaggeration. So people are curious how you are going to do that. So so many people are using this method, but for the longer period of time, or to build your trust, I would suggest whatever commitment you are doing in your thumbnail, whatever commitment you are doing in the title, please fulfill that commitment inside the video. It should not be like कि title में बिल्कुल कुछ और है और वीडियो के अंदर कुछ भी समझ में नहीं है. It's totally unrelated. You should not do that. Otherwise, they will watch your 1 video, 2 video, 5 video, and they will, as soon as they will see your videos, they are not going to watch it, because they feel that you are misguiding them. So monetization is the one thing you can take care. You can do the customizations, right? Channel trailer, you can create 2 kind of trailer. आप 2 इंट्रो वीडियोस बना लेंगे. एक इंट्रो वीडियो फॉर दी फर्स्ट टाइम यूजर्स, जब कोई पहली बार आपकी चैनल पे आ रहा है तो वो कौन सा वीडियो देखेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज कॉल्ड चैनल ट्रेलर. So this is channel. This is the return visitor, because right now I am logged in with दूसरे चैनल, ये परिष्कृत पराशर का चैनल है. सो यहाँ पे रिटर्न का ट्रैफिक दिखा रहा है. ये रिटर्न विजिटर्स के लिए इंट्रो वीडियोस है. एंड I can switch account and show you the first time users. So this is the channel intro for the first time users. So this is the channel intro for the first time users, and you can create channel intro for the return user. तो जो भी आपके चैनल पेज पे आ रहे हैं, पहली बार आ रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए हम यू कैन create a channel intro for the first time user and you can create a channel return user के लिए भी आप यहाँ से ट्रैफिक बना सकते हैं. So now all these are the featured section. You can add section. अपने होम पेज पे आप बहुत सारा सेक्शन ऐड कर सकते हैं. So you can add all the popular videos or the past live streaming or upcoming or single playlist or created playlist or multiple playlist or subscription or featured channel. So you can add all these section on your home page. YouTube चैनल का जो होम पेज है उन पे ये सारे सेक्शन आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. सेक्शन ऐड करने के बाद कैसा दिखेगा? कैन यू सी दैट? ये एक सेक्शन है अपलोड का, ये एक सेक्शन है वेबसाइट प्लानिंग एंड क्रिएशन के सारे, एक प्लेलिस्ट है और ऑन दी वेबसाइट WordPress website planning and creation, and you can see the playlist. This is one of the section. Popular upload का एक अलग section है, digital science का एक अलग section है, and multiple playlist का एक अलग section है. So that way you can design your home page. This is the channel home page. So you can manage your home page by customizing, by adding section. So you can channel customization is there, and then you can go to the manage settings. Here all the default setting you can manage from the settings. जितने डिफॉल्ट हैं वो सारे के सारे आप यहाँ से मैनेज करेंगे. आपका डिफॉल्ट करेंसी क्या है, एंड चैनल का लाइक यू कैन कंट्री ऑफ रेसिडेंस यू कैन सेलेक्ट, एडवांस सेटिंग यू कैन डू, फीचर एलिजिबिलिटी. जैसे जैसे आप ग्रो होते जाएंगे, जैसे जैसे आपका चैनल ग्रो होता जाएगा, 1000 सब्सक्राइबर, 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर, 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर, यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर फीचर इनेबल्ड हेयर. स्टार्टिंग में जब तक आप मोबाइल वेरिफिकेशन नहीं करते हैं तब तक आप 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा का वीडियो नहीं डाल सकते. आप डिफॉल्ट फीचर अपलोड प्लेलिस्ट आप राइट नाउ इनेबल्ड है. So you can see the featured, enabled, advanced setting. You can do basic info. You can place. You can write all the keywords. Let's suppose your entire channel is about video, so you can add some default keyword: video creation, video editing, video planning, video production, video pre-production, video post-production. So all video marketing, YouTube marketing. So you can have all these keywords, default keyword for the channel here. So here you can have a default upload. कि जैसे ही आप वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे डिफॉल्ट टाइटल क्या होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सपोज आई एम सेइंग डिफॉल्ट टाइटल शुड बी बाय परिष्कृत पराशर. So I'm making it whatever, whenever you will upload video, automatically title में ये word लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा, video expression coach. So here you can make a by default जब आप video upload करते हैं, what you want, public, I want public. Add you can important title by default. What keyword you want to use in your video, video editing or video creation. So that way you can add default tags. So doesn't matter कि कोई भी वीडियो आप अपलोड कर रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट ब्लैंक टाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं जाएगा. You can have some default text. So you in the same way you can do the default advanced settings की language क्या होगा, category क्या होगी, like caption certificate क्या होगा, you can select the title description का language क्या होगा, comment को आपको कैसे manage करना है, allow all comment, hold potentially inappropriate comment, hold all comment, disable comment. So you can manage the comment on default means सारे videos के लिए. Whatever you are selecting here, that is applicable to all the videos. So user can view rating for all the videos. You can enable and disable it. So this way you can do the upload set. You can manage your upload defaults. So this way, anytime you want to do any settings, you can come back here and manage the. I can add. Let's suppose I'm inviting Bhavna Bharadwaj as a approved user. So you can invite and you can give them access. Let's suppose you can give them access as a viewer or as an editor or manager. So I am giving the rights to the manager. So Parishrit ke channel se Bhavna Bharadwaj I'm giving permission to Bhavna Bharadwaj to manage my channel as a manager. So that way you can add more. Bhavna Bharadwaj will get a mail and I will verify that mail, and then I will be manager of this channel as well. So you can add multiple people to manage your channels. You can manage the community में कोई moderator है, किसी को approved user. Let's suppose I see that कि Gurumukh sir is like commenting on all the video and he's always appreciating. So I can add Gurumukh sir as an approved user. Doesn't matter what he is commenting, his comment will always approve. So that kind of, you can have approved user, moderator, and hidden user. You can have hidden user, block word. I want to say that as soon as someone is writing this word, that comment should not appear public. So if someone is using any abusive word or any bad thing, I can use that word and block those comments. So I can block the links कि मेरे वीडियोस पे कमेंट तो कर सकता है लेकिन लिंक कोई नहीं डाल सकता, अपने वीडियोस का कोई लिंक नहीं डाल सकता. So I can block the link and I can accept the terms and conditions and then I can click on save. So this way you can manage your channel. So आज के लिए चैनल में इतना ही. फिर कभी हम लोग YouTube पे और बात करेंगे तो I will go to the advanced level, but basic में इतना you can cover, then you are all set to get started with the YouTube channel.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
Just give me one second. We'll take question one by one. Please write all your question in the chat window so that I will take care of all your questions. Just give me 1 second. So now write one word for the information which you have gathered right now. अभी जो पिछले 30 minutes में आपने information gather किया, just write one word for that. How useful it is, whether it's a new thing or whether it's a very basic thing, or you are ready to get started with the YouTube channel, or it's you just write one word. Usable, enriching, nice, tremendous. Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Okay, now the question, let's repeat your, you can share your questions now and I will try to answer as many questions as possible. How many seconds watching a counted as view? 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Whatever I have attended for sure. How many seconds I have answered? How many seconds I have answered? What about negative comment? You can block them. You can block those user. You can block those words. You can disapprove. You can disable the comment. So many things. Now I think answered. Negative comment is answered. How many seconds that I have already answered? Which camera is recommended? See, I have shared that YouTube is planning to replace the traditional TV. YouTube का vision है कि घर से TV खत्म हो जाए and everyone should be watching their desired content on the YouTube. So yes, YouTube is giving lot of emphasis on the quality of the videos. Quality of the content is another thing, and quality of the videos. So it's always advisable to go and have quality camera, or Nikon or Sony or DSLR is recommended. But I personally feel when you are getting started, please your basic smartphone. You can start with a basic smartphone. You need 3 things. एक तो बेसिक स्मार्टफोन जो आपका अगर आईफोन वगैरह है तब तो यू आर गुड टू गो, उसी से आपका अभी का आप काम चला लें. Otherwise, I will show that you can have a ring light. It's right now not here. I will show you that ring light. You can have that ring light. You should have a good microphone जिसमें कि आवाज that should be able to reduce those background noises और आवाज को एम्पलीफाई और क्लियर आवाज आ पाए. तो एक आपको माइक चाहिए, एक आपको लाइट चाहिए और एक आपको कैमरा चाहिए. कैमरा भी आप फिलहाल के लिए अपने स्मार्टफोन का कैमरा यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट यू कैन गो फॉर द DSLR. एंड DSLR में भी कौन सा कैमरा, आई विल शेयर इन दी. आप वेबकैम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. There are few options. I will share those options. Again, if anyone can volunteer that and make a note of whatever commitment I am doing, I should be able to fulfill that commitment. Make a note of that and share with me. Then only I will be able to give you those links. Okay, if someone watching your same video for 3 times, it will be counted as 3 view. अगर आप भी अपने खुद के वीडियोस को बार बार जाके देखेंगे तो भी काउंटेड एज डिफरेंट व्यूज. एक ही बंदा आपके वीडियो को 10 बार देखता है, दैट विल बी काउंटेड एज 10 व्यूज. प्लीज शेयर द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके, जस्ट लेट मी शेयर द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. this, you can watch the previous session recording, you can join the WhatsApp and Telegram group, and you can join the Facebook group for daily challenges. You can ask any question. And remember, progress is myth, perfection is myth, progress is key. Version 1 is better than version none. So here I'm sharing the WhatsApp link. So whoever is not part of, because majority of the communication announcement we are doing on the WhatsApp, Telegram, so you can be the part of that. Share your Telegram and FB as well. Yes, I have shared. It's very new and highly productive for me. May I request you to get another review of the same kindly? Okay, do you want a YouTube session again? Is this what you are looking for? Girish sir, do you want कि YouTube का session, एक और session you are expecting? Okay, I request you to share the link for learning Adobe Illustrator. Please, who is going to volunteer and make a list of all my commitment? Anyone? Yes, Aditya. Can you give a list of the commitment I have done in the session, and then I will fulfill that? Okay, Seema is going to do that. Seema is going to do that. Thank you, Seema or Sonam. Seema or Sonam, I'm expecting from you guys कि you will give me a list कि मैंने क्या क्या बोला है देने के लिए, मैं एक एक करके सारा दे दूंगी. Okay, Anil has joined late. No worries, Anil, you have the recording available. Can you please tell me how to add watermark in the video? You can add whatever video editing tool you are using, because video has 3 sections. जब भी वीडियो पे आप काम कर रहे हैं 3 सेक्शन होते हैं. वीडियो का प्री प्रोडक्शन, प्रोडक्शन एंड पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन. So when you are doing the production part is all about video editing. So in that video editing, you can use Filmora, you can use KineMaster, you can use iMovie, you can basic movie maker. So there you have the option to add the watermark. Apart from that, YouTube में अभी मैंने बताया था, YouTube के channel settings में you have the option कि जो भी videos आप upload करेंगे उसके साथ आपका logo you can add as a watermark. So whenever someone will download the YouTube video, they will download with that logo watermark. So even if your video is not watermarked in the video editing tool, you can add your watermark image in the YouTube channel as well. Right? Premiere Pro, Power Director. These channels are these are fantastic. Adobe का कोई भी editing tool is the fantastic one, but that is if you want to be an animator or if you want to be a video production, you want to go to into the video editing tool, there is an exclusive course for that. Right now I want to give you the glimpse कि ठीक है आप digital marketing का component के तौर पे वीडियो को कैसे ले सकते हैं. As I already shared कि इस 30 days में we are going broad means we are discussing possibility of the digital media में basic क्या क्या होता है that I am covering, and I have a plan to go to the next narrow means I will take one topic and I will talk about that topic for entire week. So that is narrow, and then we will go deep, then we can have a 30 days on the one topic, right? So that is the way to do get started with any new thing. पहले broad आप उनके बारे में मोटा सा कुछ जान लो, फिर narrow, pick a topic and narrow it down for next 7 days, and then go deep, at least 30 days devote on that topic. Then you can have that knowledge as a skill. Maybe it website creation करना हो, YouTube marketing हो, SEO हो, Google Ads हो, Facebook marketing हो, हर topic पे आप ऐसे ही करो. 3 days का आप broad study करो, 1 week का narrow study करो, and 1 month का deep study करो. And then you can see that whether you want to continue or whether you want to go in the monetization. अगर उसको स्किल को मोनेटाइज करना है तो नेक्स्ट 90 डेज, अगर उस स्किल से फिर पैसे कमाने हैं तो डिवोट योर नेक्स्ट 90 डेज. और फिर उस स्किल में अगर आप समझ लो कि वर्ल्ड में 1% में आना है, डिवोट 10,000 आवर्स और नेक्स्ट 700 डेज, devote 700 days on that skill, right? So all the skills required some time, devotion, dedication, and right now I'm just sharing that in बहुत अभी just it's a kind of scratching the surface. बहुत basic मैंने बताया है, बहुत deep है इसमें. Okay, ma'am, to add voice clip in our video, which site to download from? You can download from Pixabay. You can download. You can have the voice clips in the Canva as well. You can download free video download करके आप YouTube में सर्च करेंगे, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ जाएंगे जहाँ से कि आप फ्री वीडियो क्लिप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. This is the link of the software. Okay, Devang is sharing. If you are sharing some video editing, video से related जो भी links हैं, जो भी software हैं, जो भी tools हैं, today's group will be open. You can share your अगर किसी के पास भी video से related, if they want to add value to the community, they can add something related to the video in the group. No advertisement, no promotions, no inviting them to join to another group. Please maintain the sanity of the group. बट वीडियो क्रिएशन, वीडियो एडिटिंग, यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग, वीडियो मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड कोई भी वैल्यू एडिशन आप करना चाहते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं, टूल्स की लिस्ट बताना चाहते हैं, यू कैन शेयर योर थिंग्स ऑन द ग्रुप, बट प्लीज नो प्रमोशन, नो मार्केटिंग, नो रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ज्वाइन टू अनदर ग्रुप. नाइस, राइट. Filmora, Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, all these are the fantastic software. You can do the screen flow for the screen recording, right? FCP, Final Cut Pro, fair enough. Can we conclude the day for, can we conclude the day? Can we call it a day for today? Yes, please, Devang, I would suggest please add these things in the WhatsApp group so that all will be able to have that WhatsApp or Facebook. I'm sharing this WhatsApp, Facebook or Telegram. You can add as per WhatsApp, Facebook or Telegram में आप add करें. Okay. Okay, Sonam want to say something. Yes, Sonam, you can unmute and say. Sonam want to say something. Okay, one more thing. I want to add one more segment in the section. Whoever is most active, most responsive, most participative, they can raise their hand and they can share their thoughts on the once in a while. मतलब every day कोई एक जो है वो आप अपने whatever you want to share, you can share in the group. So today Sonam is asking. Yes, Sonam, I'm just giving you. I'm unmuting you. You should be.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैम आपको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने उस दिन पूछ रही थी MBA को लेके कि मैम कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ कहाँ पे MBA करना है, कहाँ पे नहीं करना है. तो मुझे यहीं पे ही इस ग्रुप में एक HP सर है, उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प की थी, गाइड किया था. एक्चुअली मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज थी कि किस कॉलेज से करना है जिससे मुझे अच्छी डिग्री मिले, तो उन्होंने गाइड किया और मेरे साथ उनकी मदद से मैंने अप्लाइड भी कर दिया उस यूनिवर्सिटी में. लाइक गुरु गोविंद यूनिवर्सिटी है. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट कि उससे सिलेक्शन हो जाए. गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी है दैट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट सिलेक्शन हो जाए. रजिस्ट्रेशन तो हो गया है, सिलेक्शन का बस वेट कर रही हूँ. और राइट नाउ वर्किंग एज सम फ्रीलांस प्रोजेक्ट्स. लाइक आई एम मैनेजिंग अभी आई एम मैनेजिंग डाइट चैनल right now as a freelancer.
Wow. Thank you so much, Sonam, for sharing, and all power to HP Singh sir. He is one of my mentor as well. I would say कि I think I don't know 4 साल या 5 साल पहले पहली बार मैं उनसे मिली थी, and he is one of the person who has encouraged me to he's heading the he's heading Nisbad में वो just he has left the job, but I will someday I will invite him. He has tremendous knowledge and tremendous experience in export import and like fantastic faculty. He conducts session on export import, and he always encourages. He always say that ki you world is waiting for you. He encourages you something like that ki action low, world is waiting for you. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for adding value and helping Sonam. And Sonam, I really appreciate your action because you are the action taker. You are the action taker. Someone has suggested you and you have taken the action, applied. And if you have got the freelancing project, I can understand without action, you cannot win any freelancing project. Money, love, speed. Just note it down somewhere. आप लोग सारे लोग note कर लो. Money, love, speed. If you are getting any freelancing project, you have to be very fast in response. जैसे ही आपको कुछ आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, you have to take action. If you are taking action, result will flow, right? Result will come. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sonam. More power to you. More all the power to HP Singh sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you so much. In the same way, if anyone want to share tomorrow, you can prepare whatever you want to share. We will have end of the session or starting of the session. We will try to know each other better. And especially if you have got any kind of success stories, you have landed a job or landed a freelance project or launched your website or started your YouTube channel or started your Facebook or whatever things we are sharing, if you have taken the action and got some result, I really want to hear from you guys, right? So due to the time constraint, we will do one by one sharing in a day, but I really want you to take action and be the action taker and change maker, right? Nice. So thank you so much. And can we end the session for the day? Here you can again join, whoever is missing from the group, you can join this group. Okay. Thank you. And looking forward, 5-minute meditation. Kisan want to add 5-minute meditation. From tomorrow, I would suggest we will start 5-minute meditation at the start or at the end, right? I will try to add your 5-minute meditation in the morning or towards the end session, right? Thank you and have a fantastic day ahead, and looking forward to see you tomorrow at 8. Bye. Namaskaram. Bye. Thank you so much.